So a lot of people who have 2004 Mustangs like to say it's a 40th anniversary simply because of that. And while this is a 40th anniversary car, this is really a 40th anniversary car. This is the limited edition 40th anniversary. I know it came in maroon, black. I think it came in white as well. It's got the twin gold stripes. The wheels are kind of a gold tint to them. And it even has the Terminator folding mirrors in the correct color. This is a real, so when you say 40th, yeah, I guess, but yes, definitely. So this is a true 40th anniversary car. Really nice, no wing on the back, super clean. I think it even has like some embossing on the headrest that say 40th anniversary. This car is super clean. I really hope these cars appreciate. I really, really do, because they are special. Not that that isn't cool, but this is really a 40th. There you go.